Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to do an update on Neo INC. I have already made couple of videos on this and I have already discussed about the trend, and it's good to see how this stock is behaving. It's not only about whether this stock is rising or not, it's also about how any individual stock performs when the market conditions are not good. Okay, that's the real time test and price test for any stock, and that's where the bad time tells us that this is an opportunity or this is going to be a threat for you. Now, as far as the price chart of Neo is concerned, first of all, the overall trend is on the upside. When I'm saying overall trend, you need to understand that there is an upside and there is a consolidation or correction that's been going on, but it is not at all indicating right now that it's going to be on the downside like this. Okay, there is no indications like that, and that's why it's on the upside. And the way it is hold on to its trend or gain, it's quite, I would say, remarkable, because the stock is not at all falling or going beyond a range, instead of big volatility that we can see in the overall market. Now, what we need to understand over here are how the stock is behaving and what are the levels you need to look at here. But before that, if you haven't yet subscribed my channel, just hit on the subscription button. Also hit on the notification bell along with the all button to get my updated video notification. Now, as you can see, on the downside you have your stop loss at $11, and as far as the upside is concerned, the stock must sustain above 13.5 for any further move on the upside. Both these conditions are satisfied here. The stock is comfortably trading above 11 as well as above 13.5. And if you haven't yet checked my previous videos, you go and check it out, because this stock is anyways performing quite well as far as the current trend or the range is concerned, or the overall trend or the range is concerned. As far as the current range, you have 11 and 13.5 on the downside, and as far as the upper end of the range is concerned, you have 57 and you have 69 on the upside. So these are your two important levels to look at as far as the upper end of the range is concerned, which will act as a resistance. So on the downside 11, on the upside 70. But the big question lies here is what lies beyond $70. So for that, we are going to use this simple swing technique, and what we are going to do is calculating or looking at the bottom and finding out the top, nothing else. Okay, and here we are. We can't call it as a trend line because there are not enough points which are available to call it as a trend line, but still it is a support line, because both this point representing a support for the time being, and then stock have seen a great move on the upside. Now, if I may consider these two levels as support, then you can see what lies ahead as far as the trend is concerned, and more specifically above $70. Okay, so what lies beyond $70 is this range. So you have your target, which is in between $240 and $400 on the upside. This is what we are looking at in the upcoming months and years as far as the long-term chart of Neo INC is concerned going forward. The only condition is it must not fall below 13.52 or more specifically below $11, and once it makes its move beyond $70, it will be considered as a big breakout, in which case the range which we are going to look at, let me expand this one, is in between $250 and $500 in the upcoming years, as I told you. So this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching.